In this video, I'm going to explore the impact that artificial intelligence and large language models have had on the marketing industry, especially in search engines. I'll also consider some future implications based on the latest research and share my top 5 AI tools for workflow efficiency. The road to achieving artificial general intelligence, researchers began by building machine learning algorithms that can understand and replicate human language. And while the technological breakthroughs enabling machine learning and artificial intelligence have been astounding, the most newsworthy developments in AI have been in large language models like Chat-GPT, Meta's Llama, and Google's Palm 2. As digital marketers, we've been at the forefront of the deployment of artificial intelligence technology, from generating Google Ads text and social media posts to image generation, even website building and coding. But there are deeper implications to this technology than just assisting with your blog articles. Here's a quick history of search engines and artificial intelligence. When Google first appeared on the scene back in 1998, it used a simplified algorithm to measure the number of links a website received from other websites and then read the content looking for specific keywords. Since then, the technology behind Google search has constantly improved. In 2015, Google introduced RankBrain, a machine learning system that categorizes and works to understand internet content. Machine learning at its core is a subdomain of artificial intelligence that deals with computer systems being able to extract their own knowledge from a data set without having that process pre-programmed. You've been using them for years. Pandora, Spotify, Netflix, and Google all have machine learning algorithms that predict what you're looking for. Now, in 2019, Google pushed a massive update to its search algorithm called BERT, an open source machine learning framework for natural language processing. And this was a huge shift from using key phrases and backlinks to rank content to understanding the content and how it relates to the intent behind the user's search query. In 2023, Microsoft released something they've been working on for the last 2 years, Bing Search integrated with Chat-GPT. Now, in what seems like a direct challenge to Google's supremacy, Bing offers us a glimpse into a future where search engines converse with you rather than just retrieve data. Now, this brings us to the present day, where AI will change everything. Look, a profound shift in computing is happening, and it's happening right now. According to a study by OpenAI and the University of Pennsylvania, AI is poised to affect nearly 80% of jobs in the United States. But that's not all. The study declared that large language models like GPT-4 are general-purpose technologies. In other words, LLMs have the capability to drastically alter society, just like electricity, the internet, and airplanes. But what about the marketing world? As functional content is transformed into a commodity, it may not make sense to hire copywriters to write your website copy anymore. But editorials, opinions, complex and fast-moving topics, these are areas where creatives will still crush the AI-generated content. One of the most interesting and impactful shifts in computing is happening in the way we search the internet. Both Google and Microsoft have announced AI-connected search on Google and Bing. Let's take a look at Google, for example, since they are the industry dominator. On May 10th, 2023, during Google I/O, Google dropped a new experiment called Generative Search Experience, which uses its latest AI engine, Palm 2, to generate snippets summarizing an answer to your query. In seconds, AI analyzes and combines the top search results to give you personal, customized answers to your particular question. In this example, I asked, how will AI change Google search? So the generative AI looks at the top ranking Google results and summarizes an answer to your query. It also provides links to the top relevant results and suggests contextual follow-on questions. With Google's generative search experience, we'll need to optimize content for AI snippets instead of featured snippets. And Google seems to be rapidly expanding zero-click results. And this means providing answers in their search product rather than having users click through to your website. Remember, Google's business is structured around monetizing search results with ads. So the longer they can keep you on Google, the more impression share they can sell. And this means instead of users navigating to your website for information, the data will be rewritten by Google to match the specific intent behind the user query. In the future, this will be even more personalized. For example, Google will know you have a wife and 3 kids, so when looking for hotels at a vacation destination, it'll tailor results to your individual needs. And that'll be pretty cool individually, but as marketers, how will that impact our organic traffic? If you're following current best practices, I doubt you'll see a big shift in organic rankings, but traffic, that could be a different story. If you're not in the AI snippet, you might drop a lot of traffic. And on an entirely different level, AI systems are going to truly begin to understand how users interact with your content. And it might even promote content that might not have best-in-class SEO, but tells a better story and entices users to go deeper. Because it's all about human-to-human interaction. As it becomes easier to churn out blog posts using AI, the types of content that will succeed are editorials, case studies, tutorials, newsjacking, and video. Some of the coolest developments using LLMs have been for marketers, and it's not just generating blog articles. The one attached to this video is written the old-fashioned way, by the way. It's worth exploring new platforms and apps that could impact your ability to handle heavier workflows and streamline existing processes. Here are a few of my favorite tools. Chat-GPT generates high-quality landing pages from a text prompt. Watch the demo, it's pretty slick. Stockimage.ai generates book covers, stock photos, and more from a text prompt. AutoGPT is an open-source AI model that chains ChatGPT responses together, asking for reasoning, logical next steps, and processes to achieve a certain goal. It seriously pushes the boundaries of what is possible with LLMs. Playtext.app is an AI reading assistant. It extracts text from a website, then presents it in a distraction-free user interface, no ads, and generates an AI voice while highlighting the text. It helps you to train to read up to 3 or 4 times your normal speed. And last but not least, Jasper.ai. It's one of the original GPT-3 copywriting tools from a couple years ago. They've recently introduced really cool features like brand voice, target audience, and Zoom transcript summarization. I often use Jasper to help with brainstorming, rewriting sections of text I don't like, and to help outline video content or blog articles as a starting point. Google Workspace Duet AI is newly launched in beta. So there's the obvious stuff like copywriting and stock images, but also some really powerful tools coming to Google Sheets, like using text prompts to create sophisticated outputs like schedules and custom calculations. I'll be on the lookout for new AI tech that transcends the ability to write Google Ads or custom CSS for your webpage. When a platform comes out that can take a video like this one and then cut it into 25 social media posts, complete with copywriting, UTM links, and then automatically schedule them based on my community engagement history, that's a game changer. Mass adoption of AI is going to create a profound shift in the way we interact with computers and the internet and each other. Right now, it means asking deeper questions about our internal processes. Like, in what ways can our work be streamlined? Can we automate tasks like SEO, keyword research, metadata analysis? Can our writers use AI to assist in their writing process, especially if they're connected to the internet and SEO tools? And can we use AI to analyze our content and suggest improvements based on competitor rankings? In what ways can project management be streamlined? What about account management, paid media automation? In the future, it means taking a look at the content we're putting out and elevating it to the next level. As website copywriting and blog production get increasingly commoditized, it'll give room for creators to thrive. Video, editorials, and tastemaking will be able to shine because AI systems are trained on currently existing data. You got to be putting out content that doesn't exist anywhere else. And ultimately, we're building human-to-human relationships through the digital world. And we do that through authenticity, service, and a willingness to take a little bit of a risk. And that's something that an AI isn't even close to understanding yet.